G'day folks, Jay Leno here, and let me tell you, the 2024 Kia Telluride is one heck of a car. This vehicle is not just a mode of transportation, it's an experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell that this SUV is something special. The sleek lines, the bold grille, and the overall presence of the Telluride make it stand out in any crowd. This ain't your grandpa's Kia, no sir. The evolution of the Kia brand is truly remarkable. Gone are the days when Kia was just another car on the road. Today, it's a symbol of innovation, quality, and style. The 2024 Telluride is a testament to how far Kia has come, blending modern technology with timeless design. This SUV is turning heads and winning hearts, and for good reason. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising down the highway, people can't help but notice the Telluride. It's not just about looks though. The performance and handling of this vehicle are equally impressive. It's designed to provide a smooth, comfortable ride no matter where you're headed. The Telluride is a mid-size SUV that's perfect for families on the go. With seating for up to 8 passengers, there's plenty of room for everyone. Whether you're taking the kids to school, heading out for a weekend getaway, or just running errands around town, the Telluride has you covered. It's versatile, practical, and ready for any adventure. It's got plenty of space for everyone and their gear, making it ideal for road trips and family vacations. The cargo area is spacious and easily accessible, so you can pack everything you need without any hassle. Plus, the seats fold down to create even more room, giving you the flexibility to carry larger items when needed. And it's loaded with features that'll make your drive more enjoyable. From the state-of-the-art infotainment system to the advanced safety features, the Telluride is designed with the driver and passengers in mind. You'll find everything you need to stay connected, entertained, and safe on the road. The intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make it easy to navigate through all the options. But it's not just for families. The Telluride is also a great choice for young professionals, adventurers, and anyone who appreciates a well-crafted vehicle. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of lifestyles and needs. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the great outdoors, or just enjoying a night out on the town, the Telluride is up for the task. The Telluride's sleek design and luxurious interior make it a great choice for anyone who wants a stylish and comfortable ride. The attention to detail in the cabin is evident, with high-quality materials and a sophisticated layout. The seats are plush and supportive, providing a first-class experience for everyone on board. And with features like ambient lighting and a premium sound system, every drive feels like a special occasion. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we take a closer look at the 2024 Kia Telluride. We'll explore all the features, performance capabilities, and design elements that make this SUV a standout in its class. Whether you're a longtime Kia fan or new to the brand, you're sure to be impressed by what the Telluride has to offer. Stay tuned as we dive into the details and discover why the 2024 Kia Telluride is truly a star in the automotive world.